we are going to do a little pet shop beach day. Okay, ready? Hey, Mom.
Yeah?
Where are we going?
To the beach.
Yay!
Parking spot is over here.
Okay, let's park.
Mama!
Get everything out.
Where are we?
The beach.
Why is the umbrella not saying up? And they both.
We don't have the umbrella. Are you surfing already?
Yeah.
I'm gonna lay out. I'm laying out. Okay. I'm gonna go lay down.
I don't use water. I'm not doing in that water.
I'm gonna watch the kids.
I'm not doing in that water.
Sweetie, it's water. Just go in it.
I don't use water.
It's fun water.
Why? I'm gonna sit on something to do in the water.
Go in there then.
Hey! I'll sit right here. I don't care if my feet is wet. That's water.
I'm gonna jump in for my first ever time. Whee! Oh, why? Everyone, 5 hours later. Come on, guys, we gotta go home.
1, 2, 3.
Here's the baby's towel.
1, 2, 3.
There's the baby's towel. Everyone in the van.
Hey! I want to dump it. I want to go into a dumping. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Come on, guys.
Sorry.
Come on, let's go. We gotta go in. We gotta go. There's thunderstorm coming. There's a thunderstorm coming.
Thunderstorm. Where do I sit? I forgot where I sit.
Oh, God. The thunderstorm's coming real bad.
Everybody in.
Is everyone in?
The sun. Yes, everybody is in.
Yay! That wasn't ours. We gotta
This
leave
was.
that.
Wait, thunderstorm is on.
Thunderstorm started.
Pretend the thunderstorm told us about.
Whoa! We better go.
No.
Let's go.
And put it yourself in the cave.
Thank you for watching. Please look us up at Hannah Murphy's Little Pet Shop Movies. Thank you.